Hi, today I'm with me ALCATEL 1T10 Smart and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open the control panel first and you'll see here all of the available options. If you want to add here some options and remove some of these available ones, or just to change the positions of the icons here on the panel, you should tap here to this edit icon. And you'll see here this down section with all of the invisible options. To add them to your panel, you should just hold the icon and just drag it to the subsection. To remove some of them, by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to the down. And to change the positions of the icons on the panel, you should just hold it and drag it. To reset all of the changes, click on the right upper corner to these three dots and tap to reset, or just to save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.